Hi Sachin, hello. 25,000 people live with me. Hi Harsh, Dada. कैसे हो आप? I really like your new hairstyle. It's very very nice. It's very like suiting you. Hi Monu. Hello Harsh Kumar. I literally log in to say hi to you. Thank you, thank you. So 15 million it is and I'm so happy. मतलब I'm seeing all the edits. मैंने बहुत सारे save करके रखे हैं. आज I'm gonna like put on stories and मतलब I'm trying as much as possible क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा network का कभी-कभी it's like an issue because I'm in Dharamshala but the view is amazing. Let me show you the view. Oh, it's not flipping. Okay. See, this is the view from my balcony. इतना अच्छा लगता है ना मतलब यहाँ पे द वेदर इज़ लाइक सो राइट नाउ देयर इज़ लाइक नाइस सनी वेदर एंड ड्यूरिंग लाइक द इवनिंग शाम को रात को बहुत ठंड पड़ जाती है सो इट्स लाइक यूर एक्सपीरियंसिंग बोथ लाइक समर ऑल्सो एंड विंटर ऑल्सो इट्स अमेजिंग बट इट्स लाइक सो क्लीन यहाँ पे पोल्यूशन नहीं है ज़्यादा एंड द रोड्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक वेरी डिफरेंट दे आर लाइक जो ऐसे रोड्स हैं So, and I'm enjoying my shoot. It's for my new web series. It's called Swang. If you all don't know what Swang is, it's a very interesting word. You can Google it. You can know about it. It is actually अगर एक word में उसे बोलना so it's like illusion. जो सामने दिख रहा है वो वैसा नहीं है जैसे दिख रहा है. Something like that. And it's very interesting. I mean the web series. I'm shooting with my team. It's amazing. There's just few days left. I'm meeting so many fans. मैं कितने लोगों को मिली हूँ यहाँ पे set पे hotel में. Then I was roaming around the other day and there were so many people here. Yesterday I met so many people. So many fans here and I'm so happy. कल मैं एक school में shoot कर रही थी and they were like girls and boys of 6 to 10 standard or something. And then they all knew me and we were taking pictures with the teachers and all of that. So very lot of fun. Yes, I know that one Anushkian is here. Abhi, I'm gonna meet him also. I'm trying as much as possible to meet, people here. Are you blonde? Of course not. I'm Indian. My natural hair is black, brown. Like not black, brown. I've always had brown hair. Now it's colored, but yeah. Like my natural hair was also like dark brownish. Thank you. Mone Prane Bangali. Wow, interesting username, yeah. Hello, खूब hello. All the best for your web series. Thank you so much. Thank you. Looking damn gorgeous. Thank you so much. Hi Anushka, hello Aniket, hello Harshi Parmar. Are you fine over there? I'm absolutely fine. I'm all right. मैं एकदम सही हूँ. I'm having a lot of fun. Now that dad is also here, तो मुझे और मज़ा आ रही है. I'm gonna return to Mumbai in a few days, so just trying as much as possible कि यहाँ पे I can enjoy the scenery and everything. So good looking. Thank you. Wearing a beanie after a long time. Hi Anushka. Hi Jaiswal. My birthday is 20. Oh, there's a eagle. What? My birthday is 26 March. You can't wish me video now. You can say happy birthday. Hi Anushka. Hi. Yeah, I know even she, but I mean Mandi town from here, like हम लोग जहाँ shoot कर रहे हैं ना, वो बहुत they're different places, so she can't come here, I can't go there. It's quite far. Can you pronounce swang? So it's swang. Okay, it's not swang, it's swang. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, swang. Hi cutie. Hi. What's up? Nice, yeah. There's so many people. This surprise live में भी मजा आता है ना. It's just so unexpected. I remember last time I think I said when I'll go live I'll tell you all. But like मेरा यहाँ का time is like a little, you know, because we're shooting and all of that. So मेरे को पता नहीं था कि I can come live right now. Are you excited for Lucifer? I am very excited for Lucifer. Lucifer and Money Heist. These are the two shows that I absolutely love and उनका next season आ ही नहीं रहा था. So finally it's coming. That too on like, yeah, but it's okay. Got stuck. Can you tell me where we can watch Swang? So right now I cannot tell a lot of things, but I can say it's coming on Hangama Play, which is also an app. That's such a surprise. Yeah, surprise. Surprise live is more fun, right? See, it's Siddharth King. Finally, I attend your live. What do you desire? Hello. So now that almost like so many people are here, thank you again for 15 million fans. I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you for so many edits. I'm checking them all. मैं कल रात को भी अभी packed up quite late, but I was still checking edits. I was saving them. The next morning I can put it. Today also I'm gonna check a few जितना time मिलेगा. But thank you for so much love. Thank you. Hi Radhika. Hi Avneet. Hello. Oh my god, happy 15 million. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you say hi Vio? Hi Vio. Thank you. Please take my name. Hi Ritesh. Hi Bad Bleeps. Hi. And also मैं कितने सारे groups. There's so many groups. There's Bad Bleeps. Then there is Delicious Sane. There's Swang. कितने सारे groups हैं. I'm trying to reply to them also. कभी कभी मैं ऐसे आ जाती हूँ and I say hi and then I have to leave and फिर I'm trying my best कि जितना you know I can reply to your DMs. Especially groups. I can reply to groups. Can you say hi Purva and hi Malishka? Hi Purva. Hi Malishka. Please take my name. Hi Rishita. Hi. Some music going on. Okay, cool. I'm excited for your new web series. Thank you, Sazia. Thank you. It's a lot of. I'm also very excited. It's quite different. Trying to do as many different projects as possible. Hi, Mansi. Hello, Mansi Chauhan. Sarangi, Anushka Sarangi. Hi, Rohit Sharma. Hi, PerfectSane.x. So it's oh hi Indonesia. Hi Indonesia. Kacinta Indonesia. So it's 11:25 and in 5 minutes I'll have to leave because call time hai, I have to go. Please, Himachal Pradesh is a vibe. You were in Chandigarh, I freaked. Yeah. So there's no direct flight to Dharamshala, no. So that's why I stopped at like Chandigarh and then from Chandigarh to Dharamshala. Today's 1st April. Hey, today is April Fool's Day. कोई तो प्रैंक करना पड़ेगा ना किसी के ऊपर सेट पे करना पड़ेगा. Happy April Happy April Fool's Day.